Welcome you back to the farm. We're going to ease down to the barn. I want y'all to hear this little baby goat we got. Sounds like a pig. He's just as loud as the big goats when we start to feed him. So I'm kind of doing my intro here, and we'll try to ease down there so you can hear him. So it's kind of funny, but got cold again. I had to dig on my old cold winter hat back out, my jacket. Of course, you see the dogwood behind me. Dogwood winter, I guess. So. We still got 2 more winters to go. We got blackberry winter and honeysuckle winter. So we're almost there. All right, so let's ease down to the barn and see if I can get that get that little baby goat to cry out like a big goat. Okay, I'm gonna stop in the greenhouse first to check my plants and check the heater. I had to run a heater last night, and we'll have to run one tonight because we had I think it got down to 30. It's 35 when I left for work this morning, about 6. So, but it feels good in here right now. It's 90. So, everything, I guess, is looking. Oh, look here. I got sprouts coming up. Finally got some tomatoes. There's one.
Here's some tomatoes.
Oh, there's a bunch right here.
Some mortgage lefters on it.
Yeah. And
Cherokee
purple. So, I was kind of worried about my tomatoes. I just set this one out. Mark Globe, I got one little plant come up, and I set this. Let's see where I put this out. 313. So it's been over a month. So I don't think these are going to do. Now these over here are doing all right. These are starting to show.
Come up.
Yeah, starting to get some peppers. I got some red deuce coming up. Now these got some real leaves on them.
Oh yeah.
Early doll. Red pride. Or some more early doll.
Yeah, there's a red pride.
These didn't come up. Pretty more red. I got some over here and it is coming up. So, of course, all my lettuces, cabbage, they're doing good. Broccoli's doing good. I was going to move this down to the high tunnel this week, but since it got so cold, I'm going to wait. Move this down maybe this weekend. I need to set some more broccoli out. But this right here, let's take off here in a minute. All right, it's all looks good. It's getting warm in here. So
when's the kohlrabi? When did you put it out?
It ain't done anything. 3.9.
Wow.
So I'm gonna redo it. So really, kohlrabi's done bad, and this tomato here's done bad. And I put some more of these back here. Marglow. I just did these maybe a week ago. I just forgot to tag one. Well, daggum, I didn't write the...
Not write it on any at all.
It's not like me to make a mistake. 329, so at the same time I did all these. This one needs a little water. All right, let's go on down and see what the goats, show you them goats. All right, here we go. There's one of them, but I think the little pig's right here. He was hollering a storm just a minute ago. See his little face there?
Goodness, y'all are getting so big. Hi, sweetie. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. There he is. He's a holler. Is that him over there? Oh, hello. Is that him over there?
No, that's the girl. Here's
Oh,
the guy here.
oh. Where's he?
He ain't gonna leave the food truck.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, he's staying right around.
I see him right there.
Yeah. Yeah, he's looking. You're a big boy. You're a big boy. He's a big boy. Oh, that wasn't very nice.
He wants that food.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
All right, good.
Get down.
This is the pig right here.
Your cup's in the way. Move your cup over.
Oh, sorry. You can even pet him. He don't. All he cares about is eating.
You can see he wants to get in there and get him some. Hi, sweetie. Hi there, baby. Hi. You guys are growing. You're growing. Hi there, darling. That's a good baby. Good baby. You're a sweetie, aren't you? Are you a sweetie? Hmm. Are you a sweetie? Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Is it good? There's old Phoebe over here. Hi, Phoebe. Hi, sweetheart. Hey there, baby. Wow, y'all are really growing. You're getting big. I know foods are coming. Oh. Looks like some good hams.
I don't know. It might not be that long. I've been throwing a lot of food for them. I've been getting about 6 pounds a day.
They've really been growing. They've really growed. Look at that face.
I've been throwing quite a bit of feed for them. I think about a little over 6 pounds, and usually I think the ratio is 3 pounds of food, you get 1 pound of gain. So, I started this about 7 days ago, so I'm gonna see if I get 30 pounds of weight, or I don't know how you can tell, estimated. I can tell they've grown a lot in a week. So, and the feed is for hogs, and that's what I've been feeding them. It's a balanced feed, so. And it's cheap, so I've just been throwing it to them, and hopefully they'll get big enough where we can take them off and eliminate some chores here. All right, let's count see how many eggs we got. I know they need some more bedding here. Let's see, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. I got one over there, so that'd be 20. All right. A little bit dirty today. So I've had some bad rainy weather, and cold too. So I'm pretty happy with those eggs.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna save that for the next stop. Let me get that one out of this one. It's the first one that laid over here all year. All right, let's go to the next stop and see what we got there. Okay, this has been my worst performing flock. Man, they're killing me.
Are these
No
the
eggs.
oldest?
No eggs today.
Are these the oldest?
Yeah, but we put some of them new ones in there with it.
Yeah, that's true.
The other day we got 40. We got 44, and this one performed where it's supposed to. But when they don't perform at all, it really hurts. So we're at 20 right now. All right. So this flock's been doing really well. Up to its potential, basically. So that's 22, 24, 26, 27. So 27 eggs today. Disappointing. If that right there just gave me half, we'd hit 36. So I don't know, we might have to make some tough decisions. We got some more coming online. We got about, I can't remember, we got 8 or 9 coming online. We're getting ready to move. I was gonna move them up there in that big one, but I might take some of these older ones out of here and put them in there. Tough decisions. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope y'all have a good week. Now Saturday, our farm stand will be open. You can buy these beautiful eggs. Reasonable price, cheaper than Food City. And Emily's got some new cookies coming that she's gonna try. So we'll have some bread, we'll have our eggs, and some cookies. So we'll have quite a few stuff there. Won't be long, we'll be having some vegetables. I'll give you a bigger in-depth tour of that at a later date. So anyway, I appreciate you watching the video. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down on the farm next video.